Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I am going to be taking you along as I organize my bathroom drawers and bathroom closet. It's my day to clean the bathroom anyway, so I'm just going to clean it. I'm going to take everything out of there and then get it organized. I'm going to toss what is old and obsolete that I don't use and I have no idea why I'm keeping it, and I'm going to organize what I am going to keep. If I had to go out and go get some organizers, I would have spent about 3 hours just driving to the store, looking around, getting everything, checking out, and driving home. But the beauty of Target is that you can get same-day delivery within like a couple hours.
So I just went onto the Target website, put my items in my cart, and chose same-day delivery. And you can see here, that's one of the options.
And it's getting delivered to me in about a half an hour. It's about 8:30 in the morning. I placed the order about 8 o'clock this morning. It says I'll get it sometime after 9. They're just gonna leave it by the door, so it's awesome. So I do watch the Home Edit on Netflix, and that gives me some tips and tricks as to how to organize a space, especially like, you know, a closet space or a cabinet space. And the key that I have come to realize, and it's pretty basic information, but we tend to try to organize within our spaces and not have to remove everything. But you really have to take everything out of your space and see what you have. You have to see how many of the same type of thing you have, and then what really, you know, doesn't even belong in there, and you have to really pare down what you have, and then you need to organize it in bins and containers, and that's how you really get an organized space. It's a chore, because you really, when you pull everything out, it's going to be overwhelming. And they have a team of people. They have a whole crew that goes in there and cleans the space out, takes everything out, organizes it by, you know, category, and then figures out what kind of bins look great. So obviously we don't have teams to do that for us, but they, you know, they give us the ideas that we need, and it really, you just have to go to work. I'm going to take everything out of there, and I'm going to, unfortunately, it's all going to get on the bed or on the floor here. My room is going to get kind of messy for a little while, but I have to clean it anyway, so I'm just going to do all my vacuuming and dusting after I get that all done. So I'm going to get everything out of there. I'm going to clean it. I will take some pictures of what it looks like right now, and I have to, you know, full disclosure, it's a Saturday morning. I have had one of the busiest weeks this week at work, and so, you know, keeping up with my, you know, organization in my bathroom has been like last, if not totally off my priority list this week. So I am going to show you what it looks like right now. It is very unorganized, and what I'm going to try to do is get everything so that everything I use on a daily basis will be right there, right at my fingertips, and, you know, make it so much easier. And not only that, but prettier to look at. And, you know, when you see pretty things or organized things in your day and how you start your day, it's gonna just make you feel a little bit better when you start your day. So that's what I'm after here today. So I'm gonna take you along. I'm gonna show you just little snippets here and there. I will show you the things that are coming from Target. When I get them there, I'll just, you know, point them out. This isn't gonna be like an unboxing, but I will definitely show you where everything is and how I'm using it, what's new from Target today. So come along with me.
All right, guys, so this is where I have like all of my daily things that I need, my makeup and cleansers and my jewelry that I take off at night and put on the next day. All of my brushes are just like hanging out here on the back of the toilet. And my makeup is really kind of just thrown in here. I usually have to like search for what I'm looking for every day. You can see that it is just one big jumbled mess of no rhyme or reason. Same thing in that drawer. I have some eyeshadow palettes and my mirror. And this one is just really a hodgepodge of all of my hair stuff, my blow dryers, my just hair elastics. And this is the closet, and it is just, yeah, it's, who knows? Who knows what's in here? So I am going to really get to work taking everything out and getting everything in some kind of order so that it makes it easier every day.
Okay guys, I have everything out of my bathroom. There's a few things left like around the tub that I'm not going to be moving. I'm just gonna be cleaning around there, but the floor, everything is cleared out. I'm just gonna give it a good wash down with some Fabuloso and water and get it smelling really nice in there. And then we will start to categorize these things and then get everything back in there. Alright guys, so I took a break. I went to have some breakfast, have a little coffee break. My bathroom has dried all out after I cleaned everything down. It smells really good in there. That Fabuloso smells, it's a lavender, so it really does keep its scent for at least the whole day until tomorrow, which is nice. I love that. So anyway, that's all cleaned. I'm just gonna start categorizing all of my products and everything that I have in there that I use, get everything that is the same or in the same category together, and then we can start getting things, figuring out what bins I can use. And I do have stuff, you know, I do have baskets and boxes that I used the last time I did a bathroom makeover, and I'll link it here. But I have to warn you, it was my very first video ever, and it is just, be kind, that's all I'm gonna say. So yeah, and I still I have those boxes from that. So I'll have a lot of things that I can reuse. I'm gonna try to make it user-friendly in there. My Target order has not arrived yet. It's 10 o'clock. So I haven't gotten any text messages saying that anything wasn't in stock or that it's on the way, but I did get an email confirmation that I'm gonna get same-day delivery for those 5 things. So yeah, so I'm gonna just get this part going, and we will see where it takes us. Alright guys, I must look, you know, my best. But I got some of the Target order, but not all of the Target order. So I'm going to check and see if I have an email from them saying, you know, it was out of stock or it's coming separately. So let me just check this now and see if I have anything. Oh yeah, shoot. So my 2 things were canceled. My 2-tier organizer for underneath the sink was canceled. They didn't have it. And then I got a silverware tray to put in my drawer with all my makeup. I wanted that. I thought that would organize, but I do have what I had in there before, so I will have to use it. But I did get a drawer organizer for my bottom drawer, which I think will hold quite a bit of stuff. I got a corner shelf for my, like it's a corner vanity shelf, which I'm thinking it could hold my makeup and stuff like that I use every day. And then I also got a turntable little container that's gonna go underneath the sink. So I'm just gonna get started on putting everything back. I'll show you my semi categories. I think I did pretty good, and I did toss a lot of stuff that I have just had. I don't know why I keep. They're just in there doing what, I don't know, because I don't use it. It's just stuff from old samples. I do have some samples that I'm going to keep, but I'll show you sort of how I've separated everything. And then we'll figure out how to go about putting everything back in there and doing everything neatly. Wish me luck. Okay guys, so it's not easy to determine what I've done here, but I have all of my like eye pencils and mascara. Here's a lip that belongs in with the lips. I have hair products, I have powders, I have blushes and bronzers, I have my foundations and my makeup. I have my concealers here. I have my Moxie lashes here, which, you know, I love the idea of false lashes, but I never look good in them or get them just right. I have some body lotions. I have some perfumes. So I have my sponges and my Q-tips, all kinds of hair things in here. I have my hair tools, and I have a lot of my hair stuff in here, barrettes and bobby pins and you know, elastics, that kind of thing. I have my bath stuff, all my bath bombs, my bath salts, my shower steamers, some witch hazel, all kinds of jewelry here. This is a box. This was in my my prior bathroom makeover, and this has all kinds of palettes, eyeshadow palettes. I have all of my tanners and after tanners and sunscreens here. I have masks that I have that I haven't used yet. My washcloths, my towels. Over here I have my face cleaners and my face creams and my toothpaste stuff, random stuff like a candle. I have quite a bit of stuff to put away. All right, guys, I am done. I am done with this whole thing. You can see behind me, my bed is all cleared off. I have everything back in its place, all nice and organized. And it is 12:15, so I did not waste my whole day doing this. I started at 8:30. So almost 4 hours. It does take time, but to pull it all out, clean it, and then put it back in a way that not only is your room nice and clean, but it's all completely organized, and what you have in there you will use on a regular basis, if not every day. You know, when you need it, you know where it is. So I'm going to walk you through and show you all of the updates and the organization. guys, so I hope that you have enjoyed this bathroom organization video. I didn't get a chance to drink my coffee this morning, but it is an absolute beautiful day out today. It feels like summer. So I made my coffee into an iced coffee. So it's iced coffee season. Delish. So anyway, guys, thank you for coming along. Thank you for hanging out with me for a little while today to watch what I have been up to. And I hope that it has given you some inspiration to get into your bathroom and get organized. If you're new here, I hope that you will consider subscribing and coming back to see what else I've been up to create my best life and hopefully help you with little tips and tricks to create your best life. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for coming along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.